Opportunities often arise from challenging times. The recent pandemic made this especially true for the manufacturing industry. Now more than ever before, automation and digitization is the top priority for organizations that focus on manufacturing. Yet only a small portion of organizations have taken the first steps toward this inevitable future state. The future of work is changing and automation is at the core. Robotic process automation and other technologies are being leveraged to help organizations achieve their corporate objectives by applying these technologies to drive revenue, reduce costs, improve operational efficiencies, reduce risk, and enhance quality and process consistency. Join Uipath, Ashling Partners, and our customers on July 15th to learn more. See live demos and discuss real-life use cases from our customers in the manufacturing industry. Join leaders in your industry for an event like none other. Hear from your peers, the leading providers of intelligent automation technology services. Automation is clearly here to stay, turning the scarcity of people, data, and time into abundance. What are you waiting for?